Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Craftomania. Thank you so much for 1.3k views in my admin swipe card video. So the new year is coming and for that I made a new year card tutorial. Here it is. Before we begin, I would request all of you please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's begin. Okay, so first you will need a white A4 size paper. Now we are going to fold it. And you have to take I have taken a green color paper which is over here, it's 14 centimeters and this side is 20 centimeters. Now I'm going to stick it right over here. Now we are going to stick the flowers over here. I'm going to show you how to make the flowers. Here I have taken a pink color paper and I have drawn 4 centimeter square. I will cut it. So first I have taken a 4 centimeter square. Now you have to fold it in this side and then fold it on this side and like this. Now you just have to cut a petal shape like this. See, I have cut the petal shape. I'm going to make it a bit more small like this. Now when you open it, then it becomes like a flower. Now you have to cut this part, just a line, just one line you have to cut through like this. Now put glue over here. And stick it like this. Now you have to make many more of these petals. I've made the rest of the flowers. I've not sticked it. I have just placed it according to the bouquet I'm going to make. So now I'm going to stick it. For sticking you have to put glue over here and put this part right over here like this and it will stick. So now I have cut a blue color glitter paper foam sheet according to the size I need. So if we put it like this, in place of that I'm going to put it like this. Maybe I can put some cotton or newspaper inside so that it can be glued more properly and easily. But before that I am going to take a dark green sketch pen and draw some stems. Okay, so I'm going to stick some tissue paper right over here so that this can be sticked properly. Now I'm taking a brown color and I'm going to put it right over here so that the top part looks like soil. After sticking this, you can color this part much properly. So now I'm going to stick this. Let's let it dry. So now this has dried and sticked properly, and I have also done a little bit more brown, and I have put red color in the middle of the flowers. Now I'm going to do the inner part. So in this one I'm also going to use these are actually strings in which I've put glue and I've put glitter on it. have done making the New Year's card. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I request all of you, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So I'll meet you soon in the next video. Happy New Year in advance and bye!